welcome to this session on interview question series for VLSI industry. So let us start with new question. Draw current waveform across inductor with given input. So given input is the pulse input here. So now I need to find out the current across the inductor. So simple equation, current is equals to 1 by L. From time t1 to t2 I am taking because inductor cannot change current instantaneously. It takes some time. Similarly for discharge also it takes time. Like voltage, it cannot change current. This input voltage is changing sharply, but this much sharp current change cannot happen in inductor, across inductor. Okay, so I am taking this integration from time t1 to t2. Suppose this is the time t1, 1 nanosecond, and t2 is 2 nanoseconds. So 1 by L, inductor value is given 1 nanohenry. And if I integrate this, I will get VL. Sorry, I am integrating. So this will come some t from t1 to t2. Okay, so this will be 1 nanohenry. VL is 5 volts, so here I can write 5 volt, and time t1 to t2, so 2 nanosecond minus 1 nanoseconds. Okay, so this will be 5 nano will cancel out, so 5 ampere. So current across inductor is 5 ampere, but it will not change instantaneously. I will tell you the reason. First let me plot the waveform. So I am drawing at same time instant. So this is current across inductor from 0 nanosecond, 1 nanosecond, 2 nanosecond, 3 nanosecond, 4 and 5, so on. 4 nanosecond, 5 nanosecond. Okay, so from 0 to 1 it is 0 only. From 1 to 2 it will keep on rising till 5 ampere, and at 2 nanosecond it will become constant 5 ampere until it gets some discharging path. It cannot charge or discharge instantaneously. See, the inductor stored energy in the form of magnetic field, and that is proportional to the current. Okay, energy stored in a system is a continuous. That is why it doesn't change instantaneously. Okay, it can change fast but not instantaneously. And magnetic field is in the form of stored energy. So magnetic field or current must also be continuous in time. Okay, it will not change sharply. Sharply means if you say it is not like that ki 0 to 5 in this time only. It is not like that. Okay, so this is the wrong thing. It will change, current will change like this only, 0 to 5, and will remain 5 until it gets some discharging path. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please like hit button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video.